Here's your lesson essential question for today. Remember, a lesson essential question is a learning goal for your lesson. How can I identify patterns in addition tables? So today, you're going to be identifying patterns in addition tables. This is very challenging, so try to stick with me. This is an addition table. Remember, when you use an addition table, say I'm doing 30 plus 14, I can start with 30, come down to 14, and I see that the sum of the two of those numbers is 44. So we can use addition tables to help us understand the sums of two addends. When we look at addition tables, there's actually a lot of patterns that we can find. So take a look at this word problem. Helen found the sum of the purple numbers in the red square. So here's the purple numbers in the red square. Then she found the sum of the green numbers. The sums form a pattern. Find the sums and describe the pattern. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to identify what is this problem about. Well, it's about finding sums on the addition table. What is it asking me to do? I see that it's asking me to find the sums, and it's also asking me to describe the pattern. Okay, what information is going to help me solve this problem? Well, we know we need to find the sum of the purple numbers and the sum of the green numbers. And again, looking in this box, here's the purple numbers, 44 and 48. We'll find the sum of those. And the sum of the green numbers, 44 and 46. So let's see what patterns we can find. So our purple numbers are 44 and 48. Or 44, and I'm breaking 48 up into 46 and 2. Because 46 plus 2 is 48. You can see 46 is one of my green numbers. Yesterday I learned that I can order numbers however I want and still get the same sum. So I have here 44 plus 2 plus 46. I could start with 2 plus 46, or I could start with 44 plus 2. 44 plus 2 equals 46. Now I have 46 plus 46. So 44 plus 48 is the same as 46 plus 46. 44 plus 48, again, the same as or equal to 46 plus 46. And that is supposed to be a 6. These numbers have the same sum, so we have a pattern.